Now Dinah, the daughter of Leah and Jacob's line, went out to see the local women passing the time. Shechem, the prince of the land where they stayed, saw her and seized her and shamed the young maid. Yet his soul was drawn close to her, captive and bound. He spoke to her tenderly, where love could not be found. When Jacob heard of it, his sons were in the field. He kept his silence till they came, with nothing to reveal. They rushed to the homestead when the bitter news was spread, filled with a fury that awoke the silent dead. A folly in Israel, they shouted in their pain, for a stain on the family could never be washed plain. Then Hamor, the father, came forward with a plea. My son loves your daughter, set her spirit free. Give her in marriage, let our peoples unite, trade land and dwelling in the morning light. But Jacob's sons answered with a cunning hidden scheme. To uncircumcised men we will never yield our dream. Hamor and Shechem told the men inside the gate, who took the covenant seals upon their fate. Then on the third day, when the pain was burning deep, Simeon and Levi drew their swords while men were half asleep. They entered the city and struck down every man, slaying Shechem and Hamor. According to their plan, they brought Dinah safely from the house of her shame to answer the fire with a blood-red flame. The rest of the brothers swept into the town, taking the plunder as the walls came down. Flocks, herds, and wealth from the houses they bear, leaving the city in a cloud of despair. Then Jacob cried out, you have brought trouble on my head. The nations will hate me for the blood that you have shed. And they answered back, should our sister bear the stain and be treated like a harlot in her